Hello, those are ninjas. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for some here, I am K Trisha. Please do not forget to join the K Trisha family and be a doll or a ninja. So today I'm going to show you how I do my nails at home. This will not be a step-by-step video. I'm still testing if my viewers love this kind of content. Okay, so yeah, first thing first, I did prep my nails. Right now I'm filing them so that they can be smooth and I can start with my application. So this is how you should file. You can also use a e-file. So I did use my dehydrator from Bling and my primer. This is very important. Always apply primer. I apply 2 coats of primer before I start with application. So I'm going to use this red and nude acrylic. That's the vibe. Before I apply my acrylics, I always apply my clear acrylic. This is to protect the nails. Okay, it's very important, but some nail techs do not do this. I think it's optional, but I prefer to do it. You just make sure that you apply it on your nail bed. It doesn't have to be all over the nail, just your nail bed. Application time. Look at that cute bead. So I make sure that my acrylics or my beads are not too dry so that I can have control. You see, because it was a bit wet, I can just take my time and tap on it. Don't drag, just tap and make sure that you move your brush gentle. Because it was wet, even if I make mistake, I can still fix them. Your bead must not be too dry. You see, now it's coming together. This one was a bit bugged. I don't want to lie, but I did file it because one thing about doing your nails, it's a bit difficult. One thing also about a red acrylic, it's very, I don't know what's the word. It's complicated. It's a very complicated acrylic, so you need to have a wet bed because it's very messy. This color is so messy. It's like white and black. Those acrylics, they're challenging. So that's why I was using a wet bed so that I can have control. You see, now I got a smooth application, so you must always use a wet bed to your advantage. It must not be too wet, but it will be much faster, especially when you're nail tech. Just tap on the acrylic once, and yeah, you don't have to do one bead like most people. Even if you do 5 beads per nail, it is fine as long as it is going to be smooth and fast. Okay, you see, if you do this, you become faster because you can easily control it. So I did apply my top coat and some few deconyana. I'm sorry guys, I didn't show you. Load shedding happened, but I promise I will continue to do more videos, more nail videos. You're going to see it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment. Love you. Bye.